me and my group will explain how small are in the universe and the solar system. Before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Ryan Bernardo.
My name is Gracia Begalum.
My name is Nadia Karsbola.
My name is Adila Zaha.
Okay, let's explain. We start with our friend Gracia.
Imagine there's a ball in front of you that's about 20 centimeters wide. The ball represents the sun, and the crazy part is the real sun is almost 1.5 billion kilometers across. Shrinking it down to the size already show how insanely huge the solar system actually is. Now look at the planets. Earth, the planet where every single human life would only be 2 millimeters wide on the scale. That's not even a small ball. It's literally like on the tip of a pencil. Every ocean, mountain, sea, billions of people, all of it exists on something that small. Yeah, we're basically microscopic.
All these planets also show how empty the solar system is. If the sun is only as big as a zipper of 20 centimeters away, then the Earth we live in is just a small particle that orbits about Mercurius. The sun to Mercurius is 8 meters away. The distance is approximately from me to Rabbit, 8 meters. Next, Venus, Sun to the Venus is 15 meters away. The distance is approximately from our class to Corporation Group. Next, Earth, Sun to Earth is 21 meters away. The distance is approximately from our class to School Gate. Next, Mars, Sun to the Mars is 33 meters. The distance is approximately from our class to Islamic spiritual space. Next, Jupiter. Sun to Jupiter is 110 meters. The distance is approximately from our class to Mount Jabal. Next,
Saturn
is 206 meters. The distance is approximately from our class to Ganesha operation. Next
Uranus
is Sun to
Uranus
is 413 meters away. The distance is approximately from our class to Bay Indonesia. Next to the Sun is the distance is approximately from our class to Ida Supermarket.
Okay guys, now if you look at the distances between the planet, the amount of empty space is tiny. In this model, Earth to Venus is only about 6 meters, but Earth to Mars is already 11 meters. That's not crazy because Mars to Jupiter comes to almost 80 meters. From there, Jupiter to Saturn is around 94 meters, to Uranus over 200 meters, and Uranus to Neptune is more than 250 meters. Basically, the farther you go from the sun, the bigger and every time and bigger. Okay, now zoom even more. A human who's like 1 to 2 meters standing on Earth, which is over 12,000 kilometers wide. In this model, humans are literally smaller than dust stuck on the Earth. Every bit of human history, like civilization, drama, war, dreams, happens on one tiny space inside a huge solar system.
Okay, if we still assume that the sun has a diameter of 20 centimeters, the nearest planet we can live there. Proxima Centauri will be 5,700 kilometers away, or from this pool to Tokyo, Japan. Why is that? Because the actual distance from Earth there is 4.2 light years, or even kilometer is 40 trillion kilometers away. If we try to go to there with our technology now, it will take time 73,000 years. So why don't we just go as far as light? Unfortunately, we can't, because the law of physics forbid it. Instant relativity is that when the mass object falls to a spider's light, the energy needed to move the object will be infinity. The universe does not have that much energy. This is explained through this formula. Okay, when the speed is the same speed of light, this is the energy needed will be the result will be zero. Anything divided by zero will be infinity. So according to the law of physics, human can move the spider's light. Maybe in the future, human can create a wormhole to travel between planets. In conclusion, the universe is mostly empty space. Planets are tiny, distant are vast, and humans are even smaller. We small in size, but large in our capacity to think. Okay, this is our explain. You guys have a question?
I see your presentation are very interesting, guys, and I want to ask something. If humans are very small, how can humans learn the universe? If humans are very small, how can humans learn the universe?
Okay. We are tiny small in our size, but in our team is very large. We have the technology now, the handphone, the rocket, a plane. Maybe we are tiny in size, but we have a brain to think.
Ask another question.
Another question, guys?
If there is no more question, you can close it.
This is our presentation. Sorry if we have a mistake. Thank you.